To factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A37, you're going to begin by opening up Settings. In Settings, you're going to scroll and select General Management, and then you're going to look for Reset and tap on it. Next, from here, you're going to scroll down and find Factory Data Reset, and you're going to select that and wait for it to load. It will detect all the data that should be deleted from your device, including accounts, data, and all that stuff. So all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on Reset, delete all, and simply wait for it to go through the process of erasing all the data. Once it's finished the reset, you'll be brought to the welcome page that you received when you first started setting up your phone, which means you were successful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.